Hello there, smoothie enthusiasts. Today, we're going to whip up a delightful mango smoothie that's not just healthy, but also incredibly yummy. So, let's get started. Our star ingredient is a mango, which we'll blend with 1 cup of milk and a scoop of your preferred sweetener. The sweetener will add just the right amount of sweetness to our smoothie. Now, here's a little secret. If your mango isn't as ripe as you'd like, don't worry. Pop it into the microwave for about 30 seconds and watch it turn soft and juicy. It really does wonders. Once you've got your mango ready, let's move on to the next ingredient, strawberries. We're adding about half a cup of these nutrient-packed berries to our smoothie for an extra fruity flavor. Now, it's time for some yogurt to thicken up our smoothie and give it a creamy texture. We recommend using Greek yogurt for its high protein content and tangy taste. With all our ingredients ready, let's pop them into the blender and blend away. In just a few minutes, you'll have yourself a refreshing mango smoothie that you can enjoy on the go or simply savor at home. Thank you so much for joining us in this culinary journey. If you enjoyed this tutorial, do give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and tips. Happy blending!